بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
الحمد لله الذي له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وله الحمد في الآخرة وهو الحكيم الخبير.
All praise be to Allah, to whom belongs all that is in the heavens and all that is in the earth, and all praise be to Him in the world to come. He is most wise, all aware.
يعلم ما يلج في الأرض وما يخرج منها وما ينزل من السماء وما يعرج فيها وهو الرحيم الغفور.
He knows what penetrates into the earth and what goes forth from it, what descends from the heaven and what ascends to it. He is the most merciful, the most forgiving.
وقال الذين كفروا لا تأتينا الساعة قل بلى وربي لتأتينكم عالم الغيب لا يعزب عنه مثقال ذرة في السماوات ولا في الأرض ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين.
The unbelievers say, how come the hour is not coming upon us? Say to them, yes, indeed, by my Lord, by Him who fully knows the realm beyond the ken of perception, that the hour shall inevitably come upon you. Nothing escapes Him, not even the smallest particle in the heavens or the earth, nor is anything smaller or bigger than that, but is in a manifest book.
ليجزي الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم.
The hour shall come that He may reward those who believe and do righteous deeds. Theirs shall be forgiveness and a generous provision.
والذين سعوا في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك لهم عذاب من رجز أليم.
As for those who worked against our signs in order to frustrate them, they shall suffer a painful chastisement.
ويرى الذين أوتوا العلم الذي أنزل إليك من ربك هو الحق ويهدي إلى صراط العزيز الحميد.
O Prophet, those who have knowledge see clearly that what has been revealed to you from your Lord is the truth and directs to the way of the most mighty, the immensely praiseworthy Lord.
وقال الذين كفروا هل ندلكم على رجل ينبئكم إذا مزقتم كل ممزق إنكم لفي خلق جديد.
The unbelievers say, shall we direct you to the man who tells you that when you have been utterly broken to pieces, you will be raised to life again?
أفترى على الله كذبا أم به جنة بل الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة في العذاب والضلال البعيد.
Has he forged a lie against Allah, or is he afflicted with madness? Nay, but those who do not believe in the hereafter are doomed to be chastised and are far gone in error.
أفلم يروا إلى ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم من السماء والأرض إن نشأ نخسف بهم الأرض أو نسقط عليهم كسفا من السماء إن في ذلك لآية لكل عبد منيب.
Do they not see how the heavens and the earth encompass them from the front and the rear? We could, if we so wished, cause the earth to swallow them or let fragments of the sky fall upon them. Verily, there is a sign in this for every servant of Allah who penitently turns to Him.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا دَاوُودَ مِنَّا فَضْلًا يَا جِبَالُ أَوِّبِي مَعَهُ وَالطَّيْرَ وَأَلَنَّا لَهُ الْحَدِيدَ.
We bestowed our favor upon David. We commanded, O mountains, sing Allah's praises with him. And so did we command the birds. We softened the iron for him, saying,
أن اعمل سابغات وقدر في السرد واعملوا صالحا إني بما تعملون بصير.
Fashion coats of mail and measure their lengths with care and act righteously. I am watching over whatever you do.
ولسليمان الريح غدوها شهر ورواحها شهر وأسلنا له عين القطر ومن الجن من يعمل بين يديه بإذن ربه ومن يزغ منهم عن أمرنا نذقه من عذاب السعير.
And we subdued the wind to Solomon. Its morning course was a month's journey, and its evening course was a month's journey. We gave him a spring flowing with molten brass, and we subdued for him jinn, who by his Lord's permission worked before him. Such of them as swerved from our commandment, we let them taste the chastisement of the blazing fire.
يعملون له ما يشاء من محاريب وتماثيل وجفان كالجواب وقدور الراسيات يعملوا آل داود شكرا وقليل من عبادي الشكور.
They made for him whatever he would desire, stately buildings, images, basins like water troughs, and huge built-in cauldrons. Work, O house of David, in thankfulness to your Lord. Few of my servants are truly thankful.
فلما قضينا عليه الموت ما دلهم على موته إلا دابة الأرض تأكل من سأته فلما خر تبينت الجن أن لو كانوا يعلمون الغيب ما لبثوا في العذاب المهين.
When we executed our decree of death on Solomon, nothing indicated to the jinn that he was dead, except a worm eating away his staff. So when Solomon fell down, the jinn realized that had they known what lies in the realm beyond perception, they would not have continued to be in this humiliating chastisement.
لقد كان لسبإ في مسكنهم آية جنتان عن يمين وشمال كلوا من رزق ربكم واشكروا له بلدة طيبة ورب غفور.
For Sheba there was also a sign in their dwelling place, the two gardens to the right and to the left. Eat of your Lord's provision and render thanks to Him. Most pleasant is your land, and most forgiving is your Lord.
فأعرضوا فأرسلنا عليهم سيل العرم وبدلناهم بجنتيهم جنتين ذواتي أكل خمط وأثل وشيء من سدر قليل.
But they turned away, and so we let loose upon them a devastating flood that swept away the dams and replaced their gardens by two others bearing bitter fruits, tamarisks, and a few lotte trees.
ذلك جزيناهم بما كفروا وهل نجازي إلا الكفور.
Thus did we retribute them for their ingratitude, and none do we retribute in this manner except the utterly ungrateful.
وجعلنا بينهم وبين القرى التي باركنا فيها قرى ظاهرة وقدرنا فيها السير سيروا فيها ليالي وأياما آمنين.
We placed other prominent towns between them, the towns that we had blessed, and had set well-measured stages between them. Move back and forth between them night and day in perfect security.
فقالوا ربنا باعد بين أسفارنا وظلموا أنفسهم فجعلناهم أحاديث ومزقناهم كل ممزق إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
But they said, Lord, make the stages of our journeys longer. They wrong their own selves, so we reduce them to bygone tales, and utterly tore them to pieces. Verily, there are signs in this for everyone who is steadfast and thankful.
وَلَقَدْ صَدَّقَ عَلَيْهِمْ إِبْلِيسُ ظَنَّهُ فَاتَّبَعُوهُ إِلَّا فَرِيقًا مِنَ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
Iblis found his estimate of them to be true, and they followed him, except a party of the believers.
وَمَا كَانَ لَهُ عَلَيْهِمْ مِنْ سُلْطَانٍ إِلَّا لِنَعْلَمَ مَنْ يُؤْمِنُ بِالْآخِرَةِ مِمَّنْ هُوَ مِنْهَا فِي شَكٍّ وَرَبُّكَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ حَفِيظٌ.
Iblis had no authority over them, and whatever happened was in order that we might know him who believes in the hereafter as distinct from him who is in doubt about it. Your Lord is watchful over everything.
قُلِ ادْعُوا الَّذِينَ زَعَمْتُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ لَا يَمْلِكُونَ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ في السماوات ولا في الأرض وما لهم فيهما من شرك وما له منهم من ظهير.
O Prophet, say to those who associate others with Allah in His divinity, call upon those whom you fancied to be deities beside Allah. They own not even the smallest particle, neither in the heavens nor on the earth, nor do they have any share in the ownership of either of them. nor is any of them even a helper of Allah.
ولا تنفع الشفاعة عنده إلا لمن أذن له حتى إذا فزع عن قلوبهم قالوا ماذا قال ربكم قالوا الحق وهو العلي الكبير.
No intercession can avail with Allah except for him whom Allah permits to intercede. When their hearts are relieved of fright, they will ask the intercessors, "What did your Lord say?" They will reply, "He said what is right, and He is the High, the Great."
قل من يرزقكم من السماوات والأرض قل الله وإنا أو إياكم لعلى هدى أو في ضلال مبين.
Ask them, O Prophet, who provides you sustenance from the heavens and the earth? Say, Allah. Now, inevitably, only one of us is rightly guided, either we or you, and the other is in manifest error.
قل لا تسألون عما أجرمنا ولا نسأل عما تعملون.
Tell them, you will not be called to account about the guilt we committed, nor will we be called to account for what you did.
قل يجمع بيننا ربنا ثم يفتح بيننا بالحق وهو الفتاح العليم.
Say, our Lord will bring us together, and then He will rightly judge between us. He is the great judge, the all-knowing.
قل أروني الذين ألحقتم به شركاء كلا بل هو الله العزيز الحكيم.
Say, show me those whom you have attached to Him as His associates in divinity. Nay, Allah alone is most mighty, most wise.